Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Abeti. We talk more about making life solutions, and on today's video I'm going to share with you the best way to make your bone soup. This is so good for anybody who has given birth, or if you had injuries and you want to recover. Remember, bone soup or bone broths helps with calcium, and which is very good for the body, especially when you've already delivered or when you're healing after an injury. So make sure you watch till the end, subscribe, comment, like and share, and let's get right into it. So for your ingredients, you'll need bones. So for this recipe we clearly need bones. This is 1 kg bones. So I'm going to wash them thoroughly. I'm going to wash them 3 rounds. I'm going to do 3 rounds of washing, then I'm going to show you what to do. Just make sure you follow so that you watch every other step as we make this best ever tasting soup broth.
Getting sprung, we used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
After thoroughly washing your bones, you're going to put the bones in the biggest sufuria that you have, because we want to put them to a boil. So with 1 kg bones, I used like 2.5 liters of water. Like if you have this big sufuria, you can measure using that. So for just use the measurement 2.5 liters of water. Also you can add if you feel it's a little, okay, because for me I'm estimating a soup that's going to last me 3 or 2 days, and that's it. Then I get to cook another one. So those are the measurements. So you're going to put the water to put 2.5 liters of water. Then you're going to transfer your bones into the pot. Then we're going to start cooking them. Just follow to see what I add and why I add in this soup to just make it extra sweet.
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
And to the secret ingredient of this recipe, I'm going to use this what do we call it, bay leaves. I'm also going to use rosemary. For the bay leaves I'm using 3 leaves, and for the rosemary I'm going to use only one branch of it. You can use either, if you have bay leaves, you can use it. If you have rosemary, you can use it. I'm using these two because they help to reduce pain. They also help to reduce stress. They also help with inflamed areas. Also, they help in circulation, so they are highly recommended. That's why I use them. Also, they make the soup sweeter. Also, I'm going to add some salt. This depends with how much you love salt. Then I'm going to cover, and this soup is ready for cooking. So let's go and do it. And for your information, soup cooked with jiko is way so sweeter. I have never tried cooking with pressure cooker, but I'm telling you guys, cooking with jiko is one of the best solutions that you can do to your soup.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung.
Well, here is the big reveal of cooking this soup for maximum 2 hours 30 minutes. Trust me, you can even eat the meat of the bones. That's how cooked this soup is. That's how yummy this soup is. And after cooking with the herbs, you can remove the bay leaves because rosemaries are cooked over and over. Enjoy your soup as it is. Makumi, I always eat mine like this. This is my way of eating this soup broth. I always eat with rice and extra soup. Trust you me, I have milk for the baby. How can I not have milk for the baby when I take the soup like this every single day? How? So by the way, if you didn't watch the video on how to increase breast milk, I mentioned soup broth as one of the recipes or one of the method of increasing breast milk. So make sure you go watch that video. And also thank you for sticking by this video till this time. Thank you. And if you've not subscribed, kindly do consider subscribing, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.